Good morning, welcome to the scientific show. Today we are going to talk about the natural water cycle process. Today we invite an international scientific. He's Thomas. He's from Seattle and has a laboratory in Grayson Law Memorial. He studies the process of the water.
Good morning. Thank you so much for this amazing invitation here. A very good place. Okay, let's start.
Okay, tell me about why is the process taking place.
Well, the water cycle takes place because it is extremely important. It enables the ability of water for all living organisms and regulates weather pattern on our planet. If water didn't recycle itself, we will run out of clean water, which is essential to life.
Oh, it's very great. Now, Thomas, we know why this process is taking place, but tell me, how is the process?
Okay, the natural water cycle uses cyclical process to continually move water from the surface of Earth to the atmosphere and back again. This cycle is also called the hydrological cycle.
Oh, very good. Oh, it's very interesting. Tell us what is the most important of this process.
Well, this process is very important, and also this process is divided in 6 steps: evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, and runoff, and percolation. All the 6 steps are very important because if one of them is missing, this cycle can take place.
Oh, this information is very important for this society and have a very good topic. So, okay, what happens if the process doesn't occur?
Well, if the water stops evaporating and condensating, all water will get locked in the oceans, seas, lakes, and ponds. The rivers will dry up. All the hydropower dams will dry up. All land away from the immediate beach coastline will dry up, unless irrigated. It will be massive loss of vegetation. It will be occurring with the associated death of animals. The air will get very dry. There will be no more precipitation, no rain, no snow, no clouds, and no fog.
Oh, this is a very good.
There will be a widespread famine due to the droughts inland. Drinking water will also become scarce.
Okay, the last question. Is there a curious fact that we should know?
Yes, of course, there are some curious facts. For example, that the water is composed of 2 elements that are hydrogen and oxygen. Also, that nearly the 97% of the world's water is salty or otherwise undrinkable. And also the water regulates the Earth's temperature.
Now let's start. When the sun warms the water of the Earth's surface, it evaporates, converting itself into water vapor, and steams and begins its incredible journey, flying into the sky up toward the atmosphere. The first stage of its journey is known as evaporation. When the water converts in vapor, it rises towards the atmosphere, then cools down, transforming itself into clouds. The second stage of this journey is called condensation. Once the water was condensed and turned into a cloud, it continues its amazing journey by being blown by the wind, traveling from one place to another. Clouds are actually tiny little drops of water suspended in the water, but when the clouds run, they collect more and more water. These water drops crash into each other and become bigger drops of water than at same point. They end up falling to the ground in the form of rain or even snow. This stage of the water cycle is called precipitation, the water which falls to the ground, which precipitates in the form of either rain or snow may land in rivers or even in the ground to the seep towed to subterranean currents of water. All this water must continue its long journey, covering large amounts of distance until it finally reaches the sea. When it arrives at the big blue sea, it will once again begin the process.
Okay, Thomas, thank you so much for this incredible interview. We hope to see you soon in this program.
Oh, thank you so much, you all, for this special invitation, and I'm so happy to be here to teaching you all about the process of the water cycle itself. Thank you so much.
Thank you, goodbye.
Goodbye.